Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of What They Never Said. This is Vatsla, and today I am in conversation with myself on this very trending topic: why women these days don't want to get married. So there are certain questions that I have googled and I have got for this video. I'll ask those questions to myself because I have nobody here, and I'll just share my opinion on those questions.
Do you feel marriage might limit your personal freedom?
यार ये एक्चुअली डिपेंड करता है आपके पार्टनर पे एंड द सामने वाली फैमिली लाइक योर इन लॉज एंड एवरीवन कि हाउ अंडरस्टैंडिंग दे आर एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन taking permission for everything and then discussing and telling. For example, I want to go somewhere, I'll just like what I do with my parents as of now. I go and I tell them and I फिर मैं चली जाती हूँ जहाँ पे भी मुझे जाना है. But when there's a thing that you have to take a permission from someone for doing some stuff when you are old enough to take care of yourself, then I think that is a problem. Like अगर आपको market जाने के लिए भी you have to take a permission, then I'll say that yes, I have lost my freedom.
Do you feel complete as an individual without marriage?
As of now, yes, I do feel complete. Like I have a lot of stuff to do, my work, and also I'm a very alsi person. I'm a very lazy person, so I don't like to do things. तो मुझे लगता नहीं है that I do not feel I feel incomplete or as an individual. और अभी तो मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन में चालू कर दिया है, so I don't think कि I have time to think about it.
Do you think society pressures women more than men to marry?
Yes, society pressures women more than men. एंड देयर इज अ परसेप्शन ऑल्सो कि आप अगर 35 साल के हो, आप 36 साल के एंड यू आर अ मैन, तो आपको तो छोटी लड़की मिलेगी. मतलब आप 35 साल के हो तो यूल गेट मैरिड एटलीस्ट टू 34 33. तो मतलब वैसा है. और कभी कभी छोटी लड़की मिल जाती है इफ यू आर रिच. बट एंड also if you're a woman and you are at 30 or 28 or 31 35, then obviously अगर आप 30 के हो तो आपको 32 35 के लौंडे मिलेंगे, 40 के भी मिल सकते हैं. मतलब दिस इज अ परसेप्शन. और एक और चीज है, मतलब ये दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द सोसाइटी प्रेशर बट दिस इज अ परसेप्शन दैट सोसाइटी हैज कि अगर 35 साल का लड़का है तो बिकॉज आई एम एट 30. ओके, सो व्हेन पीपल कम टू मी एंड दे टेल मी कि फिर लड़के नहीं मिलेंगे, जो लड़के मिलेंगे वो जवान नहीं होंगे. अब I have this thing that people nowadays are very, very aware of the fitness, and people of age 40, 45, 50 are now as fit as a 30-year-old man, a 25-year-old boy. So I think people should like not have this perception now, and they should not pressure women or men on the शादी वाला टॉपिक. जिसको जब करनी है भाई कर लेगा. Why are you getting so like panicked कि ओ एज हो रही है अब क्या करें. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, just sit back and relax. People will find someone for them. और अगर नहीं भी find करेंगे, they have other options, they have other things to do in life apart from शादी. शादी is a milestone, not the whole life.
Do you feel women are expected to compromise more in marriage than
So
men?
yes, women are making more compromises than men. औरतों को बच्चे सँभालने होते हैं, औरतों को घर सँभालना होता है, औरतों को अपने माँ-बाप, सास-ससुर का ख़्याल रखना होता है। व्हेयरएज़ मेन आर लाइक कि ठीक है, सब काम करा-कराया मिल रहा है, घर जाओ, खाना खाओ, बच्चों के साथ खेलो एंड दैट्स इट. So yes, women are making more compromises. They have to manage the job, they have to manage the house, and then they have to manage the whole lives of others also. So they're making more compromises. My mother used to get up at like 4 or 5, I think, when we were young, when we were going to school. She has to get up early in the morning. She has to make food for us, the lunch and everything. And then she went to school also because she was working there only. She went to school and went back to home. Like we used to get back home, and then she used to prepare food again. And then she used to take a nap, I think, for half an hour or 1 hour, like so. And then फिर से शाम का चालू हो जाता था काम करना है ना. And I think most of the women are going through this only, who are married and who are having kids and who are having jobs also. And then they have to like मैनेज द घर के फंक्शंस. घर पे पूजा है, दे आर supposed to be there, they have to be there, whereas for men it's like chill. And also I think there's this thing that women has to manage both the side of like paternal and then the in-law side. She has to be there for everyone, Whereas for men, I think kahin na kahin, what I feel is, I don't know like how much people will relate to this, but for men, I think they have to just take care of their family side, and they have nothing to do with what is going on with um उनके इन-लॉज़ के घर पे क्या चल रहा है, क्या फंक्शन है, they are not quite very interested in knowing that stuff, in attending those parties or family gatherings. So yeah, women are making more compromises, and I can say that definitely, and I think people will relate to this.
Do unhappy marriages affect your view of marriage?
Somewhere yes, they do affect. मतलब जब आप देखते हो people fighting and people not being happy, या कोई आपको आपके अपने experiences बता रहा है about their in-laws, about their husband, about their wives, so it seems scary to get married. But and also not only in the like in real life where people are telling you, where you are seeing experiences of people, but also when you see some movie or some series where you see such kind of relationship between two people, which were because they were together for some reason but not understanding or but not love, then I think that impacts, that affects. So I am scared of having such a relationship that is not true, which doesn't last long, or which is not equally giving. So I think yeah, it affects.
Do divorce stories around you influence your decision of marriage?
Divorce stories, I think they don't affect me because ठीक है, if you are not able to live together, you are getting divorced. That is okay, fine. You took a decision, you took a bold decision, and it is good. But the only scary thing is, the only thing that scares me is when you're living with the person with whom you don't want to live, but you're just spending your life. So I think that is scary. Divorce is fine. It is a decision for your happiness, for the mental peace of other person. But the scary part is when you're living with the person and you're not even getting divorced and you're not even getting separated. So I think that is scary. So that is what only scares me. I think divorce is fine. Divorce doesn't scare me. Yes, financial independence has definitely changed the perspective of women on seeing marriages. So now women are more independent, and they have got the courage to choose their partners. Earlier, it wasn't like that. Like people used to fix the marriages, and women को देखने भी नहीं मिलता था like किससे शादी हो रही है, and they got to know on the day of the marriage only कि okay, this is the person I'm getting married to. So yeah, being financially independent is very important in today's time, because you never know, you can't trust people in any way. We have seen so much stories where educated people are mistreating their daughter-in-laws, their wives. So I think being financially independent is very important, and it should definitely change the way we see marriages. Because earlier there was also a thing that father used to grow up the daughter, and then they used to get them married ताकि वो फाइनेंशियल अपना फाइनेंशियल बर्डन किसी और पे डाल सकें. That was what they used to think. So now, because women are earning, we are financially independent, we are not a burden to anyone anymore, and we have this has changed the perspective.
What qualities would make you reconsider
About the
marriage?
qualities, I think about reconsidering marriage. Number one is I do consider marriage like it's not like seeing all these things and listening to all that stuff. I don't want to get married ever. But the thing is, at the moment, it's not my priority. So yeah, and again, if I talk about considering marriage and the qualities that I would like to have is understanding thing only. See, everybody has to make some compromises. I agree to that, but that should be like to a certain limit. If that's beyond that limit, I think that's a red flag, and that should be stopped then and there. And I think, in my opinion, you need to be very clear with the other person what you want, what you don't want. With in it's not just in a relationship, everywhere in your corporate life, in your office life, in your with your friends, with your family. I think you should be very clear about your boundaries. So that will actually help you to find the right qualities, to develop right qualities in you as well. So yeah, I think that's it. So the only quality I would like to have is the understanding thing from the other person. Okay, everybody. So that was it for today's episode of What They Never Said. This was a conversation with me on why women are not getting married. And if you like this conversation, if you had fun, if you relate to it, if you agree to it, do comment, share, like, and subscribe. And do also share other topics that I can create video on, that you want to listen to. That's it. Thank you for watching.